Hola everybody, bienvenidos, welcome back. Sorry about that. This is a learning process for me too. I'm still getting to grips with how to use the screencast and everything. So, I think that there's a lesson to be learned there. When things are challenging and they get difficult, we can't just give up. We have to think about it and try and solve the problem. So let's just go back and finish this listening activity. Now, what the person speaking said was, en mi dormitorio hay una cama. Now, if I can't remember what una cama is, I can go back to the previous slide and find una cama, and here it is right up here. So I know it means a bed, so I can come back over here, look at the picture, find the bed, that's letter D, una cama, so I've written D over here. Now, the great thing about this is that you can go back and listen to things as many times as you need to. You can pause it. You can go back and look at your vocabulary list. This is a really, really good opportunity for you to really get to grips with those words. Now, do be careful because there could be more than one letter mentioned in an answer, okay? And down here also in yellow, we've got a box that says en las paredes, on the walls. So think about what could they be talking about? What's on the walls? Well, there's a shelf on the wall. There might be a poster on the wall. So think about it carefully. A lot of this is logic. Right, on the next slide, we're going to look at learning target 2, which is prepositions. What's a preposition? A preposition is a word that we use to tell us where something is. So right now, I'm working on my laptop. My laptop is on the table. The word on tells me where the laptop is, okay? So I have a video for you, so you don't have to listen to me talk all the time. We've got Tio Spanish here. He's fantastic. He's going to tell you all about prepositions in Spanish. And then we have a list of some of those words over here in Spanish in bold and then in English. We also have a table reminding you of the words for a, un and una for masculine and feminine, and the, el and la for masculine and feminine. And right down here under the video, as soon as that little gray box disappears, you're going to see I've got de plus el equals del. Now, I know you're looking at that, you're thinking, what does that mean? Let's just take a look at encima de. Encima de means on top of, okay? And after the de, I have in brackets the letter L. Now, the reason for that is that if I wanted to talk about something being on top of my wardrobe, el armario, the wardrobe, I have to put the de and the el together to make del. So let's say I was talking about my cat lying on top of the wardrobe. El gato está encima del, let me try again. El gato está encima del armario. The cat is on top of the wardrobe. So I have to take the de from encima de and the el from el armario and put them together. Okay, listening activity. So this is a clip from your textbook. These words here, they're in green. I know it's kind of difficult to see because of the lighting the picture was taken in, but they are in green. So what do the words in green mean? Write your answers in the spaces to the right. So here are the spaces. Here's my audio. I'm going to click on it.
Página 67. Ejercicio 4. Escucha y lee. ¿Qué significan las palabras en verde?
1,
El pez está encima de la estantería.
Oh, sorry. Okay, so el pez está encima de la estantería. Now this is great because you've got the sentences here that are being said. So you have the transcript so you can read it while you're listening. Well, el pez, the fish, we know that from when we talked about pets. Está is, remember, está tells us where something is. Encima de, on top of, la estantería, the shelf. So over here next to number 1, I've written on top of. And you're going to do that with each of those phrases or words that you see in green. Okay, and again, you can listen as many times as you need to. You've got the transcript to follow. It's fab. Last thing is a learning check. You've got 5 questions over here on the left. You've got to write answers to those questions over here on the right. All the answers are located in the previous slides. So if you can't remember them, you need to go and look for them. I don't want to hear this, oh, miss, it's really hard, I can't do it. No, you can do it. Take some responsibility, have a little integrity, go back and look for those answers. They're there. I promise you, you won't be sorry because you're going to learn so much Spanish. If you need me, please email me at my school email address. I am here for you. You can do this. Have a great week, and I'll see you next